Welcome to So You Want to Eat Less or No More Meat. I'm Miriam Brost and I'm here to help you. Whichever your goal is, I'm here to help you achieve it easily. Now, this is the final video in the series and it's my tip number 5. It's a very simple tip and it works no matter what your decision is. If you just want to reduce meat, this is one of the easiest ways to do this. If you want to cut it out completely, again, this tip helps you. So what should you do? Always, always, always prioritize quality over quantity. So what I mean by this is eat as little processed food as you can and replace processed food with high quality unprocessed food. Let's say you have been eating a lot of meat in the past and most of it was in sausage form. Sausages are highly processed foods. Seriously, highly processed foods. So you want to eat less meat? Great. Figure out how much money you spend on all those sausages and now take the same amount and go to a butcher and buy quality meat, actual meat, and learn how to cook that. If you want to cut out meat completely, perfect. Also fine, absolutely. Take the amount of money you spend on meat and use it for quality, good quality other foods. If you want to be vegetarian, look at quality dairy, look at quality vegan food. Buy good vegetables if you have access to a market, fresh vegetables, perfect. If not, do the best you can. Learn a little bit more about food, what is healthy, what isn't so much. And just focus on quality and on as little processed as possible. That's my final tip. Why? Because the more processed foods are, the unhealthier they are for us. It doesn't matter what kind it is. It really does not matter. Even processed vegetables are not as healthy as you know, just if you cook it yourself. Because there's additives, stuff gets taken out, and other stuff put in, and so if you cook it yourself, you know it's quality, you know it's healthy. So always prioritize quality over quantity. The same goes with if you decide to become a vegetarian or a vegan because of your conscience. So you don't want animals to suffer. I completely understand, of course I do. So again, quality over quantity. Find the kind of milk that the kind of milk from cows that graze. Use the kind of butter from that type of milk. It's healthier for you because it contains vitamins that are not actually in generic butter. And it's better for the animals because they are kept in better surroundings. They're kept in better situations. So whether you just reduce your meat intake or whether you want to become a vegetarian or a vegan, always prioritize quality over quantity. That's my final tip. And to me, doing this has helped me eat better, healthier, of course. It also has helped me be much more conscious of what I do with my food, because when I have butter that's much, much more expensive than what I used to spend on it, I will not waste it. When I buy eggs straight from the farm, and these are free-range eggs, I can actually see the chickens. Yeah, I will go there and get these eggs fresh myself. It's a great walk, also good for my health. And I will also, again, make absolutely sure that I do not waste a single one of these eggs. I'm more conscious about the food and how I use it and how I eat it. And I'm more grateful to the animals that provide the food. So final tip for this series, quality over quantity. If you missed any of the previous videos, you'll find them in the playlist. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy your new life.